For families in Layton, creating a safe and comfortable home environment is always a top priority. While windows provide natural light, ventilation, and scenic views, they can also present potential safety risks for young children if not properly designed or secured. Fortunately, modern replacement windows offer a range of child-safe features that help protect your loved ones without compromising style, energy efficiency, or functionality. If you're upgrading your home's windows, understanding the safest options available can give you peace of mind and long-term value. Why child-safe windows matter. Children are naturally curious, and open or unsecured windows can pose serious fall hazards, especially in multi-story homes. In Layton, where homes often feature elevated living spaces or basements with window wells, ensuring your windows are equipped with safety features is essential. Child-safe replacement windows are designed to minimize risk while still allowing proper ventilation and emergency egress when needed. These modern solutions provide families with both security and convenience. Double-hung windows with limited opening features. Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Layton families because of their versatility and safety benefits. Both the upper and lower sashes can open, allowing you to ventilate your home from the top while keeping the lower portion closed and out of reach of children. Many modern double-hung replacement windows include built-in opening limiters or vent stops. These features restrict how far the window can open, reducing the risk of accidental falls while still allowing fresh air to circulate. Additionally, tilt-in sashes make cleaning easy from inside the home, a practical advantage for busy parents. Casement windows with secure locking systems. Casement windows are another excellent child-safe option. Hinged on one side and operated with a crank handle, they are more difficult for young children to open independently. When closed, casement windows form a tight compression seal and lock securely into the frame. Many models include multi-point locking systems that enhance both safety and energy efficiency. Because the crank mechanism is typically located higher on the frame, it's less accessible to small children, making casement windows a reliable choice for family homes. Sliding windows with reinforced locks. Slider windows offer easy operation and wide views, making them a common feature in Layton homes. To enhance child safety, modern replacement slider windows are equipped with reinforced locking mechanisms and optional ventilation stops. These stops allow the window to open only a few inches, providing airflow while preventing children from pushing the window further open. This feature is especially useful in bedrooms, playrooms, and living areas. Window locks, guards, and safety screens. In addition to choosing the right window style, homeowners can enhance safety with additional protective features. Child-safe replacement windows can be paired with window guards, designed to prevent falls while maintaining ventilation and emergency egress. Safety screens, stronger than standard insect screens, offering added resistance to pressure. Secure locking hardware helps ensure windows remain closed when not in use. It's important to select products that meet safety standards while allowing quick removal or opening in case of emergency. Tempered and laminated glass for added protection. Modern replacement windows often feature tempered or laminated glass, which adds another layer of safety for families. Tempered glass is heat-treated to increase strength and breaks into small, less harmful fragments if shattered. Laminated glass consists of multiple layers bonded with a durable interlayer, helping prevent the glass from breaking apart. These options reduce the risk of injury and enhance overall window durability, making them a smart choice for family homes. Professional installation ensures safety and performance. Even the most advanced child-safe windows require proper installation to function effectively. Professional installers ensure that windows are securely fitted, properly sealed, and aligned with safety hardware. In Layton's climate, professional installation also helps maintain energy efficiency and long-term performance, protecting your investment while prioritizing your family's safety. A safe and smart investment for Layton families. Upgrading to child-safe replacement windows is a proactive step toward creating a secure and comfortable living environment. With features such as limited opening mechanisms, secure locks, reinforced glass, and professional installation, today's windows are designed to meet the needs of modern families. For Layton homeowners, child-safe replacement windows provide peace of mind, improved energy efficiency, and long-lasting value, ensuring your home remains a safe haven for every member of your family.